Hey everybody, it's me Henry. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 things you should do before investing money. Like Warren Buffett said, if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Now, the easiest way to make money while you sleep is by investing. However, if the investments are not done in a planned manner with the proper objective in mind, it can even jeopardize your financial future. So, to help you invest in the right manner, in this video, we will talk about the things that you need to be mindful of before you start investing. Number 1. Know your investment goal. There are many things that we want to buy or do in our lifetime. For example, we want to buy a house, a car, travel the world, give our parents an expensive watch or a piece of jewelry. Now, most of these dreams can be achieved by turning them into investment goals and then figuring out how to attain them in a timely manner. There are many goals that are common to all, like saving for retirement, saving for one's child education, and etc. And then there are goals that are specific to each individual, like buying a Rolex for your father, traveling the whole world. So the first thing that you need to determine is what you are investing for, and then exactly what is the amount of money that you will need to achieve that goal. For example, you need $10,000 for making a down payment of a house. Number 2. Know your investment time frame. Once you are clear about your investment goal, for example, saving your child's school admission, then get an idea about when you need to achieve that goal. Say your son or daughter is 2 years old, then you know you would need to save that money within 1 year. And knowing the time frame of the goal will help you to understand whether it is a short-term goal, a mid-term goal, or a long-term goal. For example, a goal that needs to be achieved within 3 years can be categorized as a short-term goal. So if you are planning a cross-country trip across Eastern Europe in 1 year, and you are saving up with that goal in mind, then it's a short-term goal. Then, a goal that is 3 to 5 years away, like saving for down payment for a house, can be classified as a mid-term goal. And long-term goals are those which are more than 5 years away, like saving your children's higher education, their marriage, and etc. Once you are aware of the time frame, it will help you to determine where you should invest your money and how much you should invest to achieve that goal. This will also help you to stay focused on the goal, since you know being irregular with the investment can result in a shortage of funds, and you will remain disciplined with your investments. Number 3. Know your risk tolerance. Every investor needs to find out his or her own risk tolerance. Some products can give higher returns than others, but there might be more risk involved. For example, mutual funds usually provide higher returns than FDs, but being market-linked, they are riskier. Decide whether you have the stomach to tolerate that risk. Taking more risk that you can tolerate can give you sleepless nights, which can eventually make you stop the investment before achieving your goal. For example, say you invest in a mutual fund with a 5-year goal in mind. Now, the 3rd year, the markets fall and so does the value of your mutual fund. And the losses that we see during such time are just paper loss. The price of the investments is currently lower than the price was when you bought in, and it would again go up. However, you unnecessarily stress over it and redeem your mutual fund units. And the moment you do that, the paper loss turns into the real loss. And due to this loss, you might not able to achieve your goal in a timely manner. So never invest in something which you feel is riskier than your risk tolerance level, and you might stop investing in it midway. Number 4. Know your asset allocation. Different asset classes perform well at different times, and hence, if you have different asset classes in your portfolio, it will ensure that investments are well cushioned all the time. For example, the return from gold remained low for a long time before going up since last year. Meanwhile, equities were delivering amazing returns before the crash during the pandemic. However, during that time, gold continued delivering great returns. Now, as an investor, you have the different asset classes in the portfolio. If one asset is not performing well during a phase, the other well-performing asset at that time would cover the loss. But how much you want to allocate for each asset class would depend on your risk appetite and not how much return it is generating at the moment. Number 5. know which product to invest in. Finally, you have to zero in on the product that you want to invest in as per your investment goal. There are two things that you need to be cautious about while selecting an investment product. First, it should be as per risk appetite, and second, it should be as per investment tenure. For example, say your son or daughter is 2-year-old and you need $20,000 in a year's time and his or her preschool admission. And this is a goal that can't wait and you need the exact amount at that time of his or her admission. And here, the focus is the capital preservation, and accordingly, you will have to choose your investment too. For example, for this goal, you can invest in fixed deposit and earn up on a certain percentage of interest. And since it comes with the assurance of the guaranteed return, you know exactly how much money you will receive at maturity. Meanwhile, you also want to start investing for your child's college education, a goal that is 16 to 17 years away, and here the focus should be earning inflation-beating returns, and accordingly, you should zero in on a financial instrument. To save for the goal like this, you can invest in the mutual funds through the SIPs. The objective for each investment is different, so should be your investment too. That's all for the sharing for today. If you like this video and find values from this video, please consider to smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not gonna miss out any video just like this from this channel. And most importantly, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. I would love to read your comment and reply to your comment. And I hope to see you in the next video.